is Chef Adam Tabura. We're here at KTA Kitchens and we're making our homemade apple banana lumpia sundae. We're gonna start off with the apple banana from the farm that I cut right in half. A simple lumpia wrapper. We have some egg wash to close the lumpia. We have some almond paste or almond butter that I mixed a little bit of brown sugar. I'm gonna take a little bit of our organic vanilla extract. Give that a little mix. I'm gonna take a little bit of this mix and I'm gonna place it in between the two bananas to make it kind of like a sandwich. I don't wanna put too much of it, but just enough to hold to bind the banana together, give a little bit different flavor. So you make a little sandwich like that with the banana. I put it into the lumpia wrapper. Kind of snug it as tight as you can. Roll it, fold the sides over. Take a little bit of the egg wash. Egg wash is to hold it shut. And there you have your apple banana lumpia. We're gonna have some oil that I heated up over here. I'll turn it up a little bit. You want it to get at about 300 degrees, no more. 325 maybe, be safe for home cooking. I'm gonna take my lumpia. I'll place it in my deep fryer, but what I wanna do first is always test your oil a little bit. So it's about right there. I'm gonna turn up just a tad more. So I'm gonna take my whole lumpia. It's good to put it in the refrigerator for maybe an hour or so, maybe even overnight in the freezer to keep it together. But we put it in there, it's ready to go. So while that's frying up, we wanna get it to its golden brown, nice and crispy. We don't wanna overcook it. The banana and the almond paste comes together really good. Don't wanna play with it too much, but kind of swirl it around so it evenly browns on both sides. It should take about 2 to 3 minutes in the hot oil. Make sure your oil's not too hot, you don't wanna burn it. So if you have to, you can turn your oil down a little bit. I'm also gonna serve this with a little bit of milk chocolate that I warmed up in the microwave, some caramel sauce, some fresh strawberries from the farm, and some fresh mint. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the freezer and get up my vanilla bean ice cream that I like to serve it with. This vanilla bean ice cream is really good, it's organic, real healthy for you because we're doing a little deep frying. We wanna keep a little balance to our dish. So we're gonna start off with our ice cream. So once our lumpia gets to a golden brown, I take it out of the oil, drain it as best as I can. I'm gonna take it to my cutting board, let it sit for just 1 second. Take my nice vanilla ice cream that we have, put a little bit of vanilla ice cream in the bowl. Take our knife, lumpia, try to cut it on a bias if you can. So if you see, it has a nice little sandwich effect. The almond butter's in there, brown sugar, some vanilla extract. We're gonna set it up just like that around the ice cream, hopefully it stays. Take a nice fresh farm strawberry from the farm. I like to just cut it in 2 pieces. Take a little bit of our Big Island macadamia nuts. Just a little bit of contrast for some crunch. We'll take a little bit of my chocolate sauce that I melted in the microwave. Sorry. Doesn't want to stay. It's okay. A little bit of caramel sauce. And that makes up our lumpia sundae. So here we have our crispy apple banana lumpia sundae. It goes great with the dessert wine. You can get these recipes at KTASuperstores.com/recipes. My name is Chef Adam Tabura. Mahalo.